Hello, good morning, dear students. So, today we are over here with the seventh poem. The name of the poem is The Trees, written by Adrian Rich. So, the poetess is saying about the trees, and the description of the trees has been given. That what are the different trees, that the trees which are living in our house and the trees that are already in the forest, and the comparison has been made between the two trees, that the trees that are living in the house, they are having a little space, but they are also having the sunlight, they can absorb the sunlight, but the limited space has been given to that tree. But in the trees that are already in the forest, they are having a ample of space with them, and just they are comparing that trees with the characteristics of a female, that how the females as well are supposed to move out, they are supposed to do work and all this type of things. So let us just start with the poem 8, The Trees by Adrian Rich. The trees inside are moving out into the forest that was empty all these days. Have no birds would sit, no insects hide, no sun burying its feet in its shadow. The forest that was empty all these nights will be full of trees by the morning. So the poet is saying that the trees that are moving out into the forest means the females that are going out for work, they are just having a full freedom in these days. Means the at the night or during the time of vacations and all, they were just empty, means they were not having much work. And the trees, as in the summer season the number of birds will sit in the trees, but during the summer season the birds would also not sit in the trees. So the forest means the workplace was just empty these days, and in the trees there are no birds that would sit on it and no insect that would hide. No sun, but it's fake in the shadow. So the sun is just a natural thing, and sunlight जो है वो जब भी trees के ऊपर गिरती है, someone would think that no, if the layman is passing and if he finds a big shadow of the tree, he will just sit near the shadow. So the forest was empty these nights, means during the nights the forests are empty. So the women that are working day and night, they are just now free during the night, and they are just having a peace, and they are just taking the proper rest. But these trees will be full by the morning, but at the night as well the number of birds do not sit on the trees. So the at night the women are also taking the rest, and as the night passes away and as the day starts, the trees will be full of birds, and the women will also move back to their root. All night the roots grow to distance themselves from the cracks on the veranda floor. So all nights the roots of the trees will work, means all night as well. When the woman is speaking, when the woman is sleeping, she will also think that she is having much work. She will be having a planning for everything. The leaves straying towards the glass, still to small twigs stiff with exertion. So the leaves means when the tree is moving, when the tree is growing, it is but obvious that when a tree, small tree is there, the tree will, when the tree is growing, the tree will have to lose their roots. The tree will have to leave their roots. In the same way, when the woman is working, she is also having the responsibility towards her family and also the responsibility towards her job as well. So she is also supposed to leave the house for the work. And sometimes when the break or when the holidays are already over, she will just feel that she has already left or she has been discharged from the hospital, because when the person has been discharged from the hospital, he will just think that he has gained everything and he will feel happy. In the same way, when there is a number of gap or when the number of holidays are falling, in the same way the women will also think that no, they will have some free time, some they will get the opportunity to spend time with their families. I sit inside, doors open to the veranda, writing long letters. So the Adrian Rich is saying that she is just sitting in the veranda and writing the long letters in which she would scarcely mention the departure of the forest from the house. And whenever she is writing the letters, she would hardly mention in her letters that how the trees used to leave their house to move to the forest, means how the woman used to move out of their house and reach to the forest. The night is fresh, the whole moon shines and the sky is still open. No doubt the night is totally fresh and the moon is open, the sky is still open. Smell of the leaves and lichen still reaches like a voice into the room. The smell of the leaves, lichen means a fungus type which is already grown in the tree. The smell of leaves and the lichen would also be spread in the atmosphere, and it would just reach to the room, because whenever if we are having a big garden in our house, then we will feel the nature's beauty at our own lap in the same way. And my head is full of whispers which tomorrow will be silent. So she is saying that the head of the woman will already be in whisper, means she will always think for someone's betterment, and the glass is breaking, the tree is stumbling forward. So sometimes if she is facing the problem, she will just stumble means हम लोग जैसे बोलते हैं ना कि अथड़ा अथड़ा कर चलना, to not walk properly. And as if we वैसे in the same way, when the trees are growing, they will also face some problem and they could not walk easily, means they could not grow easily. In the same way, when the woman is facing some problem, she could not move easily. Winds rush to meet them. The moon is broken like a mirror, its pieces flesh now and the grown to the tallest fruit. So the moon is broken into the mirror, means the feelings had been already been broken like a mirror, and the trees are such beautiful that in the night the trees will look beautiful, and as if it looks like the trees had already won the crown and the tallest oak tree. Thank you.